So what do I know about Thailand? Not much. I know I did like Muay Thai for a number of years, and that's as far as I know about Thailand and Thai food, really. That's pretty much it. Man, what would I expect? I mean, I have no idea, to be honest. I hear it's busy. We're specifically going to Bangkok and only staying in Bangkok this round, so I don't know, it's kind of scary not knowing, but
What do I think will be the most challenging thing about Thailand? Probably the language. I don't know Thai at all. The sounds, the writing for it is completely foreign. So I think that will be pretty tough. So we'll see what we manage to learn or pick up or use, hopefully. Also, the spice level. I'm really scared. They say, I guess the expectation is like Thai spicy levels are much higher, and my tolerance levels, like, no spice. So I'm worried I won't find things to eat, maybe, other than pad thai. Not that I can't eat pad thai every single day. I might. Yeah, so I guess we'll see. How did my expectations compare to reality? I think I survived pretty well with the spicy level. It definitely was as spicy as I expected. But the big surprise was when we did the cooking class. We used a lot of fresh chilies, and those dishes were not as spicy as I thought they were going to be. You know, she was like, "Oh, we're going to put 3 chilies in this," and I was just like, "I'm not going to be able to eat this." But I survived, and I finished my plate, and I wasn't dying. So I guess that's a bit of a comfort for any of you coming to Thailand and really fearing the spice levels. Something that was unexpected and sort of unique during our visit to Bangkok was there was a lot of storms, like lightning storms, and we were in Singapore the previous week, and we saw lightning from afar, but while we were in Bangkok, we were like right underneath those lightning storms, and the Airbnb we stayed at was at like the 23rd floor, so we really got this like amazing view over the city, like whenever the rain was like pounding down and lightning and thunder was going off. That was a pretty unique experience that had nothing to do with like a tour or anything, but just really special because we never see that at home. Yeah.
yeah, so one of my favorite things to do in Thailand was the cooking class that we did at Siloam Cooking School. I remember doing Thai food in culinary school, and it seemed so much harder to do in culinary school, maybe because it was my first time doing it, but it seemed like everything was just so tedious to do. But in the span of like the 4-hour cooking class in Bangkok was like everything felt super easy. like it was very simple to do, from making our own curry paste to making like our own coconut milk and coconut cream. Like very easy. I didn't even learn that in culinary school, like, but it's easy, and it's something I would really take home with me. It's like something I'm gonna do when I get home on the regular. So I thought that was pretty cool. That was definitely one of my favorite things to do there. Also, one of like a cool experience is that we were there long enough that we became regulars at some of the food stalls. It was pretty cool walking down like the area that we were in, like just on the way to the BTS. Just like we would always get smiles or those head nods, like we were homies. Yeah, and it was really nice just interacting with the locals, tasting the street foods. We didn't get sick of it. By the end, I felt like we were getting all the good pieces of stuff. So, yeah, that was definitely a very unique experience. It was a really good feeling.